Hi all, this is Kanahara Charundati. Today I am here with the sixth task. The sixth task is to explain the design of the home page. For that, first of all, we'll log in to the eShop. I'm signing in by clicking the button, and now you can see the home page of the eShop. First of all, we have a header here. You can see hi and my first name, a sign out button, help and contact option, and then comes the sell option, and there's a drop down with several pages, and then comes the eShop icon. You can see the eShop icon here, and the search bar along with the categories drop down, a search button, and an advanced search option. Then comes the carousel, a sliding image. You can see with the text, welcome to eShop, the best online store by one click. This is an active slider. You can see it has three images, and it will automatically slide one another. And then there is an option called mobile phones, where the products of the eShop being displayed. Here there's an option for see all, and now there's one product featuring here with the image of the product, the name of the product, and if it is brand new or old one, it will display here, along with the price. It is whether in the stock or not, how many items left, a buy now button, add to cart button, and favorite button. This is a card. Inside a card only we have arranged these components. And then comes the footer. In the footer you can see in the left corner we have the title eShop along with the small description, and then the copyright statement, and then we have the social media links, the Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn and YouTube. And in the right corner we have the title contact along with the address, email, phone number and fax number. So this is the basic home page of the eShop. Let's move to the code of the eShop homepage. So this is the eShop homepage code. Here it is designed using HTML. The basic design is designed using HTML. Firstly, you can see there's a title eShop, home eShop. This is being displayed here. You can see along with the logo of the eShop. The title is here. And I have attached the bootstrap.css and style.css for further styling of the page, and the logo of the eShop. Then comes the body part. Here I have included the header page. I have designed the header separately so I can add it to any pages. So we'll have a look on the header first. So this is the header. This is also designed using HTML tags. I have attached the bootstrap.css and style.css. Content, we have these options. First of all, this is a simple PHP code to get the email of the user who has signed in. For that, this is here with the text hi. It will echo the first name of the user, and then the sign out option, and then comes the sign in or register option. If the user is not signed in, this will be displaying, and the help and contact option. Then comes the sell option, and then my eShop drop down. Here you can see I have added a button, my eShop, along with the drop downs of profile, my selling, my products, wish list, purchase history, message and contact admin. And this is the design for the header of the page. So let's move to the home page again. After including the header.php, we have the basic design. Firstly, I have attached the logo here, logo of the eShop. using the bootstrap classes and style. And then I have a div. This div contains the search bar. There's an input for the search bar. Type is text, and then I have a select option, which is to select the categories. Here is a drop down. This is the select option here. Here I have given 3 categories, and then we have the search button. I have used a button tag for the search. Then comes the advanced search. It is a link which you can go to the page by clicking on it. And then we have the carousel. Here I have designed a carousel using bootstrap classes. You can see here is a div. In this div there's 3 buttons. These are the buttons displaying here. You can see the 3 buttons here. The active one, second and third. These are the buttons added here. And then comes the image of the carousel. I have added 3 images along with the heading H5 tag, welcome to eShop, and then the paragraph, the world's best online store by 1 click. And then there's the next image. Here I have added the image here along with the bootstrap classes, and then be free heading along with the paragraph, experience the lowest delivery cost with us. Then we have 2 buttons here. This button is used to move the slide images. By clicking here, you can see the button is here. If you click on this, it will move to the next image, and if you click on this side, the left corner button, it will move to the previous one. That the buttons explained here. It's the previous button. There is a span used to move to the previous one, and here also there's a span to move to the next one. And then I have the category mobile phones and see all. This is a div. You can see here a div with 2 options. One is mobile phone and see all option. So first we have a mobile phone link and then a see all option. When you click on the see all, you will be directed to another page to see all the options under mobile phones. And then comes the product, the card used here. So this is how it is used. There's a div. Inside the div, I have created a card. You can see the bootstrap card class is being used along with some other bootstrap classes and some style.css classes. So firstly I have attached the image. The image you can see here, and along with that I have added a div. Firstly I have added the title of the product, Apple iPhone 12, using a H5 tag, and then I have added a span to say whether it is brand new or the old one. So here it is. And then I have used another span to display the price of the product, and then I have used another span to display whether it is in stock or out of stock. Then comes the products available within the eShop. So I have used a span tag for that as well. And then I have used a link tag to the buy on option, buying. And then I have used a link tag to the buy now option. You can see the buy now. So here the green color one is a link typed tag, and then we have a button for the cart. You can see a cart here, the black color button. So I have added a button for that, and as well as for the favorite also I have added a button for that. Then I have included the footer of the home page. The black color area you see in the bottom of the page is a footer. So we'll see the code for that. This is the footer. Here I have attached the bootstrap.css file, and then comes the body tag. Here we have added a footer along with the div. This div contains h5 header tag to display the eShop tag, and then with the paragraph tag to add the small description about the eShop. And then we have the copyright statement. It is also included inside a div tag using the paragraph tag. And then I have another div. This div is used to display the social media options that are available. So you can see inside a div I have added a unordered list here. This is for the Facebook. You can see I have added the icon here of the Facebook here using some style.css, and then comes the Twitter icon. So here also I have added the icon inside the list, and then the WhatsApp, and fourthly the LinkedIn, and finally the YouTube. These all links have been designed using Bootstrap classes along with some style.css. And then comes the contact option. I have added it to a div. Firstly I have the contact h5 tag. I have added the contact using a h5 tag along with some Bootstrap classes. Then I have 4 paragraph tag. You can see there are 4 paragraphs along with the icon. So I have used a paragraph tag with the icon tag using the Bootstrap classes. So here a houseful icon and the address of the eShop. Then comes the email address, and then the telephone number and the fax number. So this is how the footer is being designed. So let's move to the home page again. After this all, I have attached the bootstrap.bundle.js and script.js for the interaction of the pages, and this is the design of the home page. You can see the home page, the header. This area is the header, and this is the search option, carousel, the product viewing option, and the footer of the home page. So this is being designed using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. HTML for the structural design, CSS for the styling of the HTML, Bootstrap is to add more interaction to the components added and to make the page responsive to all the devices, and JavaScript for the interaction of the components. So we'll see whether it is response to the other device options. So this is how it will display in a laptop, and when we move to a phone it will look like this. So you can see here we don't have the carousel because of this not having enough space. So here you can see the header and the logo of the eShop, the search option, search button, advanced search option, the category, and the product, and the footer. So this is the design that is displaying in a phone. So this is how it is displayed in a tablet. You can see the header here, the logo of the eShop along with the search option, the carousel, the category, and the product along with the footer. This is the home page of the eShop. I'll meet you in my next video. Thank you for watching.